SST chapters revision. So let's start about these chapters. So which chapter it will become here. So let's see MCQ, fill-ups and multiple choice questions. Okay, MCQ, fill-ups and match the columns. So let's see. Look at here, chapter 5, multiple choice question. The total length of the coastline of India is 7,517 km. The coast famous for lagoons and backwaters are Malabar. The number of islands in the Andaman and Nicobar Island is 325. A famous festival of West Bengal is Durga Puja. The river Kaveri forms the delta along the Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu. In the blank, let's see, the longest beach in India is the Marina Beach in Chennai. Karnataka has stricken sandalwood forests. The Chilika Lake in Orissa has a bird sanctuary, a major tourist attraction. The western and eastern coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. The western coastal plains are divided into 3 regional divisions. Match the column, let's see. Lakshadweep coral deposit, Barren Island, Andaman Nicobar Island, Chilika Lake, Orissa, and Ahmedabad silk industry, Pondicherry, Sri Aurobindo Ashram. Look at the next revision of chapter 11. Biogas is produced from animal dung. The skin of the animals is used for making shoes. Blue revolution was related to fish. Fill in the blank, let's see. Oxen are used to level and plow. Okay, cow dung is used as biogas and manure. A branch of agriculture concerned with the caring and breeding of animals is called animal husbandry. Raw hides are used to make leather. Rearing of fish on a large scale is known as pisciculture. Let's see, match the columns of the chapter. Sheep, wool, chicken, eggs, oxen, plough fields, block cart means of transport, cow dung, fuel and manure. So these are some questions. So these some questions we will do in next video. Okay, so let's see our next chapter revision. Manikarnika was the name of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Kesari and Maratha were the 2 newspapers started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The national anthem Jan Gan Man, okay, the national anthem Jan Gan Man was written by written by Rabindranath Tagore. The slogan Jai Hind was coined by Subhash Chandra Bose. Fill in the blank, let's see. The name of the adopted son of Rani Lakshmi Bai was Damodar Rao. Tilak propagated the idea of Swaraj. Rabindranath Tagore was a true patriot. Subhash Chandra Bose passed away in an air crash on 18th August 1945. Sarojini Naidu is also known as Nightingale. Answer in one word. Rani Lakshmibai took over the rule of which region? Jhansi. In which year was Bal Gangadhar Tilak born? 1856. What is the name of Sarojini Naidu collection poem? So the Golden Threshold. Who killed Mahatma Gandhi? So Nathuram Godse. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? So Sarojini Naidu. Let's see this chapter 21 revision. The president of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Indian Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. How many fundamental rights are there in the Constitution? So 7 rights. Right to education is given to children aged 6 years to 14 years. When a citizen is given the freedom to follow its own customs and tradition, it is known as right to culture and educational rights. Fill in the blanks. The Indian Constitution begins with preamble, which was drafted by Constituent Assembly. Preamble, Preamble. All the peoples are equal in the eyes of law in democracy. This is known as the rule of law. Okay, rule of law. Republic means that the country has no monarch to rule over it. The Indian Constitution prohibits children below the age of 14 years to work and is known as child labor. The constitution is the highest form of law of a country. Answer the following question in one word. The Indian constitution was drafted by the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. The right where there should be no discrimination on the basis of sex, religion or place of birth. Right to equality. The rights which were suspended for some time in the year 1975. So right to education. Some important principles for the government to follow is called directive principles of state policy. How much time was taken by the Constituent Assembly to draft by Constitution? So 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Look at them as the columns. Directive principles. So guidelines for rule making body of a government. We can practice any religion. So fundamental rights. We must respect the national anthem. Fundamental duties. Secularism. So freedom to practice freedom to practice any religion. So compulsory education, right to education. These are some MCQ, multiple choice MCQ. Fill in the blanks and answer the following in one word. So only all chapters revision in this video, okay, and some question answer we will do in the next video. Okay, thank you.